Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to buy USDT on Trust Wallet in 2025. For that, first of all, simply launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Make sure that the application is updated to the latest version because now Trust Wallet has changed its interface. So the new interface looks something like this. So if it is different in your account, make sure that you update your application first. So once you are inside your Trust Wallet application, simply tap on this search icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, in the search bar, simply search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, you will see that USDT is on different types of networks here, like USDT on the Tron network, on the Ethereum network, Solana network, and bunch of other networks. So you must be wondering like on which network you should purchase USDT. So in my recommendation, you can purchase USDT on the Tron network or the BEP20 network. It is because if you choose these two networks, you will need to pay very less fees on the gas fees. So here, when you tap on the option of USDT that is based on the Tron network, you are going to see the buy option here in the bottom. The best part about Trust Wallet is that you can not only deposit the USDT to your Trust Wallet account from any other exchanges or the wallets, but you can also directly purchase it in the application. So when you tap on the option of buy, simply enter the amount of USD which you want to basically spend in order to purchase USDT. Then it is going to show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get. Now as you can see, the amount for USD is 250 and the amount that you are going to get in the form of USDT is 248. So the currency exchange is very close to USD, that of USDT. So here select what payment method you want to use. They have also given you the Binance Connect option, so you can directly connect your Binance account with it and make this transaction. If you want to change any other payment methods, you can simply just tap on it, then select your favorable payment method and conclude the payment with that. This way you will be able to buy USDT on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.